Workshop is wonderful. We've got new facilitators, especially you coming through is amazing. We can just see how energetic, how warm the sessions have been. So thanks a lot for this experience. First program, when I read about it, when we initially called for it, it was interesting. But the experience of the 2-day workshop was just amazing. So for me, it was not just the work part of it, but it's a different approach to life.
Absolutely.
And that's why I thought it's best that I take this opportunity and try and become a champion. Oh, it was wonderful. After the session, then we had that group train the trainer programs. It was just amazing. Got to meet new friends from different locations, different countries. And then we had that mock session and my first session, which went, I think 30-40 minutes extra. So I enjoyed the session. I don't know what the audience did, but it has been an absolutely wonderful journey. Not so much the certification, but the journey itself has kind of helped me a lot. The way I look at situations right now are different than the way I would have looked at it differently. I would have looked at it logically, but there's a bigger element of empathy that is coming through. With the servant leadership workshop, I can imagine things, I can see things which I would not have seen earlier. So it's helped significantly. It is all good talk as long as so long as it is implemented. So I'm going to try and work on implementing whatever learnings we have on the floor at the respective area of work that I work in. And we're hoping that we will be able to kind of make sure that it is actually practiced on the floor amongst the people and then just kept in the session. And it's happening. We're seeing results coming through and people are embracing servant leadership as a behavior on the floor itself.